Hello everyone, we are going to see about TypeScript best practices. First one is use TypeScript strict mode. For that first I will create a dummy. First one is use strict TypeScript strict mode. Enable strict mode in your tsconfig.json to leverage the full power of TypeScript type checking. I will just show how you can do that. In tsconfig.json file, you will see a compiler options, and inside that you can give strict to true. Like this we can give. Just I am showing you this example how you can give. Next we can see about type annotation. Always annotate your variable and function return types. I will show you example. Let name string equal to John. Like this we can use type annotations. Next we can see about interface over type. For that we can use interface and a name person, a name as string, and age is number. Like this we can use interface over type. Next we can see about avoid using any. Avoid using any whenever possible. Instead use more specific type. I will show you example. Let variable any instead of using any we can use like this. Any variable we can specify string equal to hello. This is a good way of writing instead of using any. Next we can see about use read only modifier. Use read only modifier to define properties that should not be changed after initialization. Like this interface circle read only radius number, and then let circle see we are reinitializing the value, so that cannot assign to radius before it is read only property. We will get an error like cannot assign to radius because it is read only property. Next, we can see about avoid mutable objects. Prefer immutable and use read-only arrays and objects. Like example, let names read-only array string equal to John Doe. Like this, we can give let person read only name string age number. John and age is 30. Like this, we can use avoid mutable objects. Next, we can see use optional and default parameters. First, we can see about optional parameters. Function greet name string return this is optional parameter. Next, we can see about default parameter. For that, function greet string world. Return next, we can see about use enum for constants. For that, enum direction like this, we can use enum for constants. Next, we can see avoid inferred any. Enable to know implicitly any options to prevent the compiler from inferring the any type. For that we can use, first we want to go to ts config.json file. Inside compiler inside compiler options, type no implicit any to true. With this we can avoid inferred any. Next we can see about use null and undefined union types. For that let value string null undefined. Like this we can use null and undefined union types. Next we can see about use TypeScript utility types. Use built-in utility types like patch, partial, required, pick, omit, etc. to manipulate types like interface to do. Inside that we can give a title as string and description of string. And then we can create a const to do partial to do equal to title learn TypeScript. Like this we can use TypeScript utility types. Next we can see about use strict equality operator. For that if x equals to 10, then we can do something like console log x is 10. Like this we can do. If x not equal to test, then we can send a message console log x is not test. Like this we can use strict equality operator. Next we can see about use constant and let approximately. Use constant for variable that should not be reassigned and let for variable that can be reassigned. Like const phi equal to 3.14. It is stable, it will not we can't reassign pi value. Let counter equal to 0. We can reassign the value to counter. Like this we can use let and const. Next we can use destructuring. Use object and array destructuring to extract values like const person equal to name John and age is 30. And then we can destructure like name comma age equal to person. Like this we can destructure. And then const numbers equal to array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and for numbers const first comma second comma dot rest equal to numbers. Like this also we can destructure, and then we can see about use excellent with TypeScript. Use excellent with TypeScript to catch common coding errors and enforce consistent code styling. In this, we have seen following this best practice with will help you write cleaner and safer and more maintainable TypeScript code. Thank you.